we've already left our homestay and now we are going to do our 22 kilometer trek. We're starting our trek to Kudremukh. Let's go. We started our trek and this is the 0th kilometer. Sharadhi is in the front. Mita and Shobit are following us. So let's do this. 9-10 kilometers more to go to reach the peak.
Ah, look at this.
Woohoo!
Whoa!
Completed our first kilometer. Applause, please. The third waterfall. Be careful. Completed 2 kilometers and we came across 3 waterfall. 3. Let's go. Walking through the forest.
You're recording, no?
Yes.
I'll put you in the buzzer now.
ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್?
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದಂತೆ
5ನೇ.
ಅದು 5 ಅಲ್ಲ 6ನೇ.
6ನೇ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್. 7ನೇ.
4 more kilometers.
We completed 5 kilometers it seems.
Kudremukh or heaven?
This is the view and this is my friend. Sharadhi and Shobit are up there. We've completed 5.5 kilometers. 5.5 kilometers. 4 more kilometers. No, 5.5 kilometers more to go. Come on.
Yes. Nice.
Now reached Wantimara and we've completed 5.5 kilometers and 5.5 kilometers more to go.
हमारे हिंदी दर्शकों के लिए हम कितने किलोमीटर कवर
5.5
हम
kilometers.
5.5 किलोमीटर कवर कर चुके हैं और हाँ मेरे पैर तो ताकत दे चुके हैं, तो अगर आगे का व्लॉग ट्रांसलेट नहीं हुआ तो आप समझ जाइए कि मैं कहीं पे रुक चुका हूँ और हमारे हिंदी दर्शकों के लिए हम माफ़ी मांगते हैं.
Nita, how are you feeling?
Like I said, it's either Kudremukh or heaven. There's no middle point.
It's the same, right?
Sharadhi, how are you feeling?
Oh,
It's raining heavily.
She's an expert, so
Easy, guys.
God, it's raining. It's time to put our raincoats. Bye bye.
No
See you
raincoat,
later.
it's a way.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
We've completed 6.5 kilometers and this is our 8th waterfall. After successfully completing 7 kilometers, it's time for croissant. Indian croissant. Good. Yummy. Look at the view. It's all about mental strength from now on. Do I have that? We do. This is the way. Shobit. He looks like. Shobit, are you there?
He is there, but his shoes?
Oh, he lost his soul.
That's so early. Maybe both.
SOL. He lost his shoe sole and soul under ka. This honestly looks like a way to heaven. Cold. It's windy. It's green. Still have 4 more kilometers to reach the peak.
Okay, come back.
Looks like a drawing.
We have still not reached the top, but the view is too good. We have sunlight. Woo! Shadi! Yay! We have to go over there now. There. 2 kilometers more.
Shara is like walking into unknown.
We have officially completed 10 kilometers.
Is that so? Is that a different glow?
Temples, guys. But that's okay.
I feel like they're looking extra pretty.
Guys, that's the Vantimara. We climbed from there. Half a kilometer more to go. That's our final destination. It's covered again with fog. We've reached almost 100 more meters. But now my only motivation is food. Food. I'm so hungry, so tired. But it's worth it. Sharadi says it's worth it. This is a view. We've reached the top. We made it! 12 kilometers trek completed. It's time for lunch.
Auntie's Poha. Everyone, visit Dupali Homestay.
Yes.
Some say Khalsa Chikmagalur. Best food ever.
She has the best food. She's amazing.
Where is our view
And
now?
her chapatis.
Can you rotate it? Where is the view?
You can't see anything now, but like wait for 5 minutes. I'll show you.
Excuse me, clouds. What is this
I'll show you
behavior?
the view. Please. Cloud gods, please. Look at her, she's just there. Dude, she's so cute. Mita, say hi. Hi. You can do this. We are having lemon rice. We've all reached Kudremukh. Mita, how was your experience?
It was heavenly.
Shobha. Shobha lost her souls. No souls, but he still has a soul, so it's fine. Nahin. No network. But why do we need network? Look at this view, dude.
Show this view.
Guys, that's Vantimara. That's the half point. This is a view from the top. Sharadi made this chikki. Can you believe it? Sharadi made.
Guys, it's raining. How are we supposed to do? It's raining.
So windy. Keep walking.
So cold. So windy. I can't feel my body anymore.
I think we should run.
No, we should not.
Don't fly away.
It rained at the top. It's not raining now. But it's very windy. The mountain is covered with fog. Dude, same. There. I'm like, stop it. I'm like, what? Shobha did a squat. Hi everyone. We have reached Vantimara, completed 5.5 kilometer and 5.5 kilometer more to go. This is the Vantimara. And this is
मेरे हिंदी दर्शकों के लिए
Shobit.
नया अपडेट अराउंड 6 या 7 किलोमीटर्स पर ही मेरे जूते के सोल चले गए और दोनों मतलब एक सोल गया फिर दूसरा चढ़ते वक्त 9 किलोमीटर पे हुए चला गया तो
Now the question is, will he survive for the next?
5 किलोमीटर हम नीचे आ चुके हैं और ये स्टिच भी निकलता जा रहा है, आप मेरा सॉक्स भी देख सकते हैं। तो अभी दर्शकों, क्या मैं 5.5 किलोमीटर सरवाइव कर सकता हूँ? क्या मेरे जूते ही नहीं बचेंगे या तो मेरे को नंगे पाँव चलना पड़ेगा? द लास्ट लेयर इज सॉक्स। अभी वो सॉक्स भी फटेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं। तो शरदी के फन में मेरा बहुत फन हो गया।
Vlog title will be 22 stitches.
2 साल अभी मैं कोई
Oh, I can play the background song that stitches. Shobha, come on, you'll survive.
Story of 22 stitches.
But look at the view.
मजाक
अगर सब निकल गया ना, I just jump off then I'll reach.
नहीं
There's no point of you jumping then. कुछ नहीं होगा.
अब कर मजा आएगा 3 bars to get muscles like me.
It's raining again. Last 1.5 kilometer to go. Yes, we have completed around 20 kilometers of trek, and last 1.5 kilometer. Our last waterfall of the trek. The water is so tasty. We filled like 2 bottles of water. Love it. It's so cold and nice. We have reached and the last step of our trek. Yay! 24 kilometers completed. Chosen one has reached.
Guys, let's go. और let me show you the status. नहीं, हिंदी. हाँ, guys, आप हमारे जूते का status देखिए.
My
God, dude, it's there.
gone completely.
Should I throw it?
Yeah, throw it there. It's all right, Shobha. You made it. Congratulations.
हम कर चुके हैं ये ट्रैक। भले ही हमारी अंदर से फट चुकी है और हम अगले 1 साल व्लॉग में नहीं आएंगे। हम छुट्टी ले रहे। तब तक के लिए हमारे हिंदी दर्शकों के लिए हम खेद है, लेकिन हिंदी सुनता ही था। यही आ गया ना।
Mita, how was your experience? Done?
Oh yes. That was the first one.
Yeah.
Sharadi, easy peasy?